Rahul Arora, a 35-year-old hailing from Uttarakhand's Haridwar, has a special connection with music. In order to give shape to his love, the music lover built his house in the shape of a guitar. The house is built so beautifully that the passerbys used to click photographs with this house. The interior of the rooms is not less than the world of music, as it contains piano, drums and violin, which gives a house a musical theme. His passion for guitar inspires him to teach music to local children. He teaches music to the poorest section of the society for free. Rahul says that this kind of work gives him satisfaction.
The purpose of building the guitar house is to connect the strings of music with the people. This concept has become a center of attraction for everyone.
कि वो हर किसी के लिए आकर्षण का केंद्र बन जाए। हमारा तो ये होता है सर, हम गाइडेंस का काम पूरा प्रॉपर करते हैं और हमारे बस एक कोशिश ये रहती है कि अभी जो देखा जाता है, कुछ लोग संगीत के लिए जैसे होता है कई बार कि कुछ कम आता है लेकिन बच्चों को गलत ट्रैक पे डाल दिया जाता है, क्योंकि हम वही चीज़ को अपने सामने वाले के ऊपर रखना चाहते हैं जो जिसमें हम एक्सपर्ट हैं।
That a syllabus has been made for the good orientation of the children.
जैसे हम स्कूल में जाते हैं तो हमारे को एक कंटेंट मिलता है पढ़ाई करने के लिए, वैसा ही मैंने म्यूजिक डिजाइन किया हुआ है पूरा सिलेबस, मैं उसके थ्रू बच्चों की हेल्प करता हूँ।
Children and youngsters are thrilled to see the unique guitar house in their city, and the urge to learn music is awakening inside them. Rishabh, who is learning music from Rahul Arora, explains.
दिन मैं यहाँ से गुजरा तो ये एक गिटार हाउस बन रहा था, तो
I came to hang out with Dad and saw the guitar house. Then I expressed my desire to see it with my father. After seeing the guitar house, attract me to learn music from Arora sir.
बेसिक्स पहले कीबोर्ड के बेसिक्स, जो भी इंस्ट्रूमेंट है उनके बेसिक्स सिखाते हैं और फिर आगे जाके होता है।
This guitar house has also become the center of attraction among the locals of Haridwar. Local resident Pankaj Chauhan says that earlier when guitar house building work was going on, it seemed that something different was happening.
All gets happy seeing this building. If you go inside this building, then you will see various musical instruments in the house. This makes the entire day of a person who's ever come here to see this unique house.
Rahul Arora of Dharmnagari has presented his skills in such a way that it has become a topic for discussion because of the unique feature. Not only this, all the tourists who reach the Ganges city from home and abroad also come to see this guitar house located near the Kankhal Dasha temple. Hopefully, this guitar house will earn a name not only for its design, but because of the people who are getting knowledge of music.
To watch 24/7 News Live, download ETV Bharat app.